What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chump Change Production. Today we're going to get off into Vapors and Neo again. Check out the market cap. They are red. EOS is down 9%. Cardano is down 9%. The time to buy is 16 cents. Neo is $59. It's down 8.79%. I'm going to buy 4 or 5 Neo this weekend. Hopefully the price is lower, but I doubt it will be. It's low. I got to wait for my coins to get from Coinbase over to the exchange. It's going to take 5 days for them to release it from my account. So yeah. Now, let me tell you guys what I did on this coin right here the other day. I picked this coin up for 3 Satashis. It got as high as 14 Satashis the other day. But I was sitting on over $600 from a $45 investment. So, if you guys picked this coin up when I was talking about it a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago, you guys experienced the same price explosion that I did. So, you made money. Pick up this coin. Because it ain't going to do nothing but skyrocket in value. Look at that 24-hour volume, $145,296. Coin market cap, $391 million. $391,811. Yeah. So you know I'm loving that. So I'm going over here to Neo this weekend. And I plan to do big things with Neo. I'm going to keep stacking up on Neo. I'm going to buy 1 or 2 Neos a week or every 2 weeks. No matter what the price point is. I'm going to just keep buying them. Because I know it's going to get over $1,000 at the end of the year. I just don't know how much it's going to get up to though. So, if you guys don't hold any Neo, this is a good time to buy it. This coin got as high as $190 during the fourth quarter. Well, $157 on the 29th of January. Yeah. So you guys can pick this coin up right now in the dip and hold on it. Sit on it. Because it's going to shoot up in value. And you want to be holding this coin when it get up there. Yeah. So I also picked up some Encash. I picked up 2,418 or 15 Encash. I got it at 4 cents yesterday or Saturday, one of the two. It's down to 3 cents. It's gonna drop down in value. So you guys might want to pick up this coin too while it's low. I spent $85 on it and got 2,415 of them, or 18, one of the two, maybe even 14. But I think I'm gonna buy some more this weekend. Be sitting on 4,800 or 5,000. Be waiting for it to get to $3, then sell it. Sell it all. That's what my plan is. Well, anyway, that's about all I got for you guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, circulate these videos in you guys' circles, share them. And this is Antoine with Chump Change Production. I'm out. Peace.